So let's just talk about default values in useContext hook. So in React, whenever we create one new context, so suppose we create my context and we call createContext, and here inside we can pass some default value, and the default value will be used whenever a component uses this context but is not wrapped inside the context provider. So like an example, here we are using the user context to pass the username from the parent app component to the child component B using the context provider. So here we are sending the username, and then inside the child component we are getting the username, and then we are printing the username. So here you can see we have the output username Sam. Now here we can pass some default values. So here we can pass default user. So if a component which is outside of this context provider tries to access this context, in that case the default value will be accessed. So if we move the component B outside of this provider, so now you can see the output. So the username is changed to the default user. That is because the component is now using the default value which is passed in the create context. So in order for the component to access the passed value, it must be wrapped inside the context provider. Otherwise, the default value will be accessed by the component. So this is the way we can use default values in the useContext hook. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.